So yes, guys, in continuation of the first video, I'm getting ready to hook up this office in a way where I can feel comfortable, paint it up, put some live colors. I mean, I don't care if you criticize it, I don't care if you don't like it. The person that's gotta like it is me. And like I said, I did this back in New York when I was a teenager, back, man, when I was 19, 20, 21. And I was good at it. Why was I good at it? Because I enjoyed what I was doing. So I'm gonna hook this up, man. This is my office. This is where I stay at all day. This is where I earn my living. And why not feel comfortable about it? So yeah, I sealed up the cracks on the wall. I hope they look good. I mean, you can see right here where it has some cracks. I kind of sealed it up, made it to where when I paint it, it won't show as much. Let's see what happens, all right? So any thoughts you guys got, any opinions, any feedback, positive feedback? I don't care if it's negative. There's no such thing as a negative feedback, but anything you got to say, you can write your comments. I mean, don't be a hater. I mean, and yeah, and if you want to be a hater, that's on you. So here we are, all right? So just bear with me while I just continue doing what I was doing, and kind of just like sealing it up. I kind of put cement through the cracks and just getting ready to paint, people. All right, that's it. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I did this for a living back 30-something years ago. So I mean, this is not no science. I mean, yeah, there's science to everything. But this is not difficult. Anybody can do it if you got the time. I like to have enough time to do things that I like to do, or the things that I need to do, because when you're patient about doing something, it's going to come out right. All right, so God bless you people that are watching this video. We'll continue with the steps of how this is going to come up. As every time I progress, I'm gonna upload a video. All right, people? So, peace, people. Talk to you guys later.